You can make your WhatsApp account completely safe and secure for lifetime, forever. You have to click on these three vertical dots in the top right corner. Click on that. Here you have to click on settings. In the settings, you have to click on account. In the account, you have to click on security. In the security, they are saying that show security notifications. Turn on these settings to receive notifications when one of your contacts security code changes. Enable that. Turn that on. After that, after this security, you have to click on two-step verification. Click on that. In the two-step verification, this is my in my case this is not enabled. I have to enable that first, but most of you will find that already enabled. If you had made that before, click on enable, and I will now write the 6-digit code. They are asking for a 6-digit code. 6-digit code, and I have to confirm that. They are asking for an email address. So if I ever lose my device or this 6-digit, then I can recover that from this email address verification. An email address to your account which will be used to reset your PIN if you forget it, and safeguard to your account. So this is the click on next. Confirm the email address. Click on next. Click on save. After saving, everything, two-step verification is enabled now. Click on done. They have not asked you for a verification code in your email address too. So this was so easy process, some long but easy. And using this simple trick, you can update and make your WhatsApp account completely secure. If you ever lose your device or any problem occurs to your mobile number or anything, you can simply recover, and you can use this 6-digit PIN to make your WhatsApp account completely safe and secure. Do you have any question? You can ask me in the comment box below. So they are asking me, enter your two-step verification PIN. You will be asked for it periodically to help you remember it. Forgot PIN? No, I have not forgot. I provide my PIN. This is to secure and protect my WhatsApp account. So this is so significant and important. Do you have any question? You can ask me in the comment box below.